Before starting, make sure all measures are done on the right side of the body. Skin should be clean with no lotion or oil. Locate all 7 sites and mark these sites. The caliper should be held in the right hand with the dial pointing up. Record the measurements and round to the nearest half millimeter. Hold the caliper for 1 to 2 seconds to ensure accurate measurements while constantly holding the skin. Do not let go of skin until caliper is removed from subject. Record at least 2 measurements. If they are not 1 to 2 millimeters apart, then take an additional measuring. If an additional measuring is needed, wait until the skin regains its original texture. Last but not least, calculate the average for these measurements. Ensure marked site is halfway from the chromium and olecranon process. Gather skin 1 centimeter above site and pinch right on the marked site for 1 to 2 seconds to get your measurement. Participants should place their arm behind back to locate the inferior angle of the scapula. Ensure the mark is 2 centimeters below this. Participant then relaxes their arm. Obtain a diagonal fold 1 centimeter above, pinch on site for 1 to 2 seconds, then get measurement. For men, the mark site should be 1/2 of the distance between the anterior axillary line and the nipple. For women, the mark site should be 1/3 of this distance. In this case, our participant is a male, so the mark is at the halfway point. Gather a diagonal fold and pinch on the mark site for 1 to 2 seconds, and obtain reading. For the mid-axillary site, have participant pull arm back and ensure the marked site is lined at the level of the xiphoid process of the sternum. Obtain a vertical fold and pinch mark site for 1 to 2 seconds to determine measurement. For the abdominal site, ensure mark site is 2 centimeters to the right side of the umbilicus. Obtain a vertical fold, pinch mark site for 1 to 2 seconds, and determine measurement. Have the participant point out their hip bone and ensure that the mark side is superior to this. Obtain a diagonal fold, pinch the mark side for 1 to 2 seconds, and obtain reading. For the thigh, have clients shift their weight to their left leg. Ensure the mark side is on the interior midline of the thigh, midway between the proximal border of the patella and the inguinal crease. In a vertical fold, pinch for 1 to 2 seconds, and determine measurement. After performing measurements with proper technique, calculate the mean of the 2 trials, find the sum of all 7 sites, and calculate body density with the 7-site formula. Keep in mind there is one for women and one for men. Convert body density to body fat percentage by using both Siri and Brozak equations.